convoy up there to Allegan. We're gonna roll out, snow's a-coming. Yeah, we'll continue to run until probably around 10:30. Turkey's gotta show up the Wranglers. Oh, he hit it hard. Oh, nice. I think I cleared it for you. That's what I did.
Yes, you did.
A tui. Now the snow has turned to rain. The winds are starting to pick up a little bit here on our way home. So hoping to make it home before things start to really freeze up. Right now it's only 37 degrees, but had a good time, met some awesome people.